Hey guys, I'm just finished my test C0 to 60. It's the stinger and I just realized that my warning tires were not reliable to do the test. I just realized that it's a legend if you think you can take an advantage of a warning tire because the tires lose the tread wear and you have more grip to do the test using the drivetrain of your car. So I realized that it's a legend. So it's a myth. It's not true. You can do this test this way. So I'm just investing in new tires to do the test. I expect to do the 4.7 seconds, 0 from 60 miles per hour, and that's the result you are seeing with the print screen of my GPS based timer app. So that's it. I'm just investing in new tires. So I think I can reach this 4.5 or 4.7 in this case. Thanks for watching.